Gavana Masiaya oseyo jatend Kenya Kwanza kuom koso tieko ng'anyo mar lakteche masani koro donjo odiochienge mar 25.
Orengo wacho ni sirikal nyaka tim dwach lakteche ni mar ne nitiere winjruok manoketi ka omedo ni oyiedhi doho mar medo yalogi.
Orengo manoloso e seche mane otimo limbe Sondwe Nyakach bende ogoyo dhoge e telo mar ODM ka owacho ni ng'ama biro telo ne chama no tok Raila Odinga nyaka bed ng'ama jaratiro.
Mama Mboga cannot go to a hospital and get treatment because you have failed to resolve the issue of the doctors. I mean, we are saying without fear of contradiction that the government of the day has to resolve that problem. Me, on this issue, although I'm a governor, I'm on the side of doctors. We should not continue to talk about this succession issue in ODM. We first must determine what type of political party is our party, ODM. ODM is a progressive movement. In determining the leadership of ODM, we must find people like Raila Odinga who can stand with the people at the time of strife. Before you believe in the progressive agenda, the progressive ideology of ODM as a party, please think twice before you offer yourself for leadership.
Obila Mabungoma Makolori